Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about the flex rent payment. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Right, let's talk about rent. Specifically, what happens when the first of the month creeps up and your bank account says, try again later. If you've been there, yeah, same. That's where something like Flex comes in. It's one of those rent payment apps that's been getting a lot of buzz lately, so I decided to give it a closer look. So here's the gist. Flex is an app that helps you split your rent into smaller payments throughout the month. Instead of paying the full amount on the first, you pay a portion, and Flex covers the rest. Then you pay them back later. It's not a loan. There's no big application process or hard credit check, which is nice. But they do charge a monthly fee. I think it's around $14.99, and depending on how you pay them back, there could be extra fees or interest. So it's not totally free money, just a bit of breathing room. Let's start with what Flex gets right. First off, it's really user friendly. Signing up is simple and the app's interface is clean, not cluttered or confusing. It's also great for budgeting. If you get paid bi-weekly, Flex can help you spread that big rent bill across two paychecks. That alone can ease a lot of stress. And landlords get paid on time, which means you're less likely to deal with late fees or awkward conversations. Now, the not so fun part. Flex only works if your landlord or property manager is partnered with them. If they're not, you can't use it. Simple as that. Also, that monthly fee adds up over time. 14 bucks a month might not seem like a lot, but it's still an extra expense. And just to be clear, Flex isn't giving you a month to pay rent. You're still on the hook to pay them back before the month ends. So, it's not really postponing rent, it's just shifting when and how you pay. At the end of the day, Flex isn't a bad option if you need a little wiggle room and your budgeting is tight. Just don't rely on it as a long-term fix. It's a tool, not a solution. If you're someone who can stay on top of your payments but just needs a different rhythm, this could work for you. But if rent is consistently a struggle, it might be worth looking at bigger picture money habits or income options. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you know more about the flex rent payment. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!